Good afternoon, guys. Over here we were just eating lunch. Naomi and Jasmine, they are sleeping there. My brother just went out, and yeah. So these are omena. I don't know if you guys know omena. Small fish. Let me just show you guys. So it has been fried, then cooked, and I'm just on my last portion of ugali over here. So guys, I've received a phone call that the breaks that I was supposed to have go get, like I ordered some breaks, and I just received a phone call that the breaks, they've arrived, and I just want to get ready, take my, yeah, that's my brother, take my iron horse and go to see the breaks. So I ordered close to 1,000 breaks, and hopefully it will be able to finish up the, not the kitchen, but over there, that's the bathroom that we want to convert it from having the iron sheet wall to a concrete wall. So I just want to make sure we have everything today, and yeah, he's the one who was I don't know what was not happening on the other side. So yeah, I just want to make sure, like, today we have all the materials that will be needed tomorrow for the construction of the bathroom. So I just want to finish up my lunch, yeah, in courtesy of Moses. Is the one who prepared the omena. Very, very yummy omena. It's been a while, by the way. I can't even remember the last time I took omena. Yeah. So I just want to rush. Over here, Naomi is supposed to wash Jasmine's clothes, but you know, it's afternoon. Yeah, there are still more over there. Hey buddy, not on my iron horse, fly away. Yeah, so I just want to finish up because they're waiting for me. So yes. So guys, I'm just getting ready to leave. I need to open the gates. No. Stay inside. Shh. You know, they've seen that I've just opened the gate, so they just want to go outside. Shh. I don't know how to distract them, but shh. Go my minions, go to the shamba. Yeah, they're so clever. Hey, shh. Go, shh. Go there. So I think I need to do very fast. Yeah, so guys, I managed to remove the PK outside because our hens, they wanted to leave the compound. I don't know, but they just love to go all this way out, and I just had to distract them. Yeah, so let's go get the bricks, then we come back home. Yeah, so guys, I've arrived here, and over there you can see the truck is already here, but not that is not the exact lorry or truck that I'll be using to transport the bricks that I need to take at my parents' house. So right now where we are, this is the Mamboleo road. It goes all the way to Miwani, and this is our junction. It's called Obolo Junction. This is the junction that will take you actually to my parents' house if you're living in Kisumu. And I believe you've been seeing these yellow buses. These are school buses. It's around 4, and this is the time when kids, let me just use the word kids are coming from school. And yeah, I did purchase close to 1,000 bricks from this lady. Her name is Awar, and she didn't have the bricks at that moment, so but she had already ordered so many bricks. So the lorry just arrived right now. Yeah, as you can see over there, those are kids that they've just come from school. So right now they are offloading the bricks from this lorry. Yeah, and I believe she deals with even the woods. If you want I don't know, isn't it Waji? Round post. Yeah, if you want round post, she has them. So these are the bricks over here. Is it go close to how many bricks? 5,000. Oh, 5,000. Hadi zile zenye ziko ndani. Ni mingi sana. Oh, 5,000. So like all these bricks over here, they are close to, not even close to, they are 5,000 bricks, and each brick, it's 12 shillings, which is about 12 cents US dollars. 12 cents each brick. So I purchased close to 1,000. So I think they'll remain with close to 4,000 bricks. So hizi zimetoka wapi? Oh, Kericho. Oh, Kericho County. Oh, nilikuwa ndani tu za hapa hivi. Bondo. Nyabondo. Oh, he says Nyakache. Wow. So I'm just being told that these bricks, they've just come from Kericho County. From Kericho to Kisumu. Yeah. So guys, the truck is here, the one that they're loading my bricks, the white truck. And too bad it has started raining, and the rain is coming from that direction. So I don't know how it's gonna be, but they just have to load the bricks right now. We just come back from purchasing the bricks, and yeah, the truck is already in the compound. My iron house is here. I've been rained on a little bit. Yeah, so this is how things are here. It has been rained a lot, so I just want to show you guys. Yeah, there's our neighborhood over here. So there's a truck that just brought the bricks, and right now they are offloading the bricks from the truck. Wow, that's a little bit. It is dangerous. So I just have some hens here and chickens that belongs to my parents, that you see the kind of job they like to do. Yeah, so we just have to wait until all the offloads is done. Then I think tomorrow the job will start. The job will start tomorrow. Hey, Chiki.